Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Don't exchange time for money. You want to build a good business that makes good money without you having to be there running it. And we believe there are 4 areas that you have to be dangerously good at to be really successful in business. And if you're weak in any of these areas, it can not only hurt your ability to be successful, but it could actually carry negative impacts into the areas that you are good. So if you want to grow a really profitable company that runs on autopilot, put in great practices into these 4 areas. The first is sales, which would include marketing. It includes advertising, PR, all that. People, which includes leadership and culture development. Strategy, which includes systems, processes, goal setting, how we're going to tackle things. And money, which is what we're going to be spending time on today. If you don't have oxygen in your body, what happens? You die. And if your business doesn't have money, what happens? It dies. And you want your business to generate as much cash as possible, and you want it to do it on autopilot so you can continue to scale into more and more locations if you choose. And that's where real wealth is made, especially in this industry. If you're not going to become super wealthy off of just one location. The real wealth comes with several. But you can only get there without wanting to pull your hair out if the first one generates a really healthy amount of cash, and it does so without you, the owner, having to be there.